Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the flat tire warning on your Infiniti Q50. First, it's crucial to ensure all your tires are inflated to the correct pressure. You can find the recommended PSI on the sticker located on your driver's side door jamb. This step is vital because the warning light often indicates an actual pressure issue, not just a system glitch. Don't forget to check your spare tire's pressure too, if your vehicle has one, as it can sometimes trigger the system. Proper inflation is the foundation for a successful reset. Once you've located the recommended PSI, use a good quality tire pressure gauge to check each tire. It's best to do this when the tires are cold, meaning the car hasn't been driven for a few hours. Inflate any underinflated tires to the exact pressure specified. Overinflating or underinflating can both cause issues, so aim for precision. This step directly addresses the root cause of most tire pressure warnings, preparing your system for a proper reset. After ensuring all tires are correctly inflated, the next step is to drive your Infiniti Q50. You'll need to drive at a speed of at least 15 miles per hour for about 10 to 15 minutes. This driving period allows the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, to recalibrate and recognize the new, correct tire pressures. The system needs this time and consistent speed to register that the issue has been resolved. The warning light should turn off automatically once the system successfully recalibrates. If the tire pressure warning light remains on after driving, don't worry. First, double-check all your tire pressures again, ensuring they match the recommended PSI precisely. Sometimes, a slow leak or a faulty TPMS sensor could be the culprit, requiring professional attention. If you suspect a sensor issue, a visit to your dealership or a trusted mechanic is advisable for diagnosis. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. They are a game changer for staying organized and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.